Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
Hey everyone, Toronto Ty here at Canada's Wonderland on December 11th, middle of the winter here. I mean, for us Canadians, this is still just kind of the start of winter, but you can see we're doing some work over on Wild Beast, and we are going to get a behind the screens look at the construction of Yukon Striker, seen right over there over a very snowy Wonder Mountain. Alright guys, so over here in front of Canyon Trader, we have, you can see everything with Yukon Striker that's been built so far, and still going to be a the loop and last Immelmann right over here before heading back into the mid-course over there. So we're gonna get an on-site look here and really cool shots all throughout the site.
That top up there is our zero gravity roll. It's gonna come down into the 360-degree loop, and then the ride's going to go into this trench and then up back over into an Immelmann to return to the breakback there.
It's it looks like, are you guys closing off the top of this trench, or?
Currently we're not, we do not plan to close it up.
Okay. Guys, this is so awesome. Being able to just stand here, look at the site here. Woo!
I'd like you to do a quick, short kind of summary of what the theme is.
You know, I didn't really realize before just how deep this trench is going to be with the track going down in there. But man, it is. It gets pretty far below grade. So that's really cool.
Basically, I got to the top of the spiral here.
Oh, wow. So you do marketing for Ben's Wonderland?
Yeah, all of the media relations and digital marketing, so our social media accounts and our website. Oh, wow. Stop me if you guys.
Woo! The pullout here of this 0G roll just looks awesome.
Hey, is that your guy's camera down at the edge there?
Yeah. It's truly incredible how they built this over Timberwolf Falls. You know, with the staircase right there in the center of Timberwolf Falls' turnaround. We finally get to see that there, as well as the one support. Really cool. Walking right between two of the support columns. Oh, these guys hooked something up for the crane. Cool. This shot right here. I mean, we're still going to be able to see this next season, but check it out. And then heading right up into the 0G. So this has also been called a 0G roll here, but apparently on RCDB, Roller Coaster Database, they listed it as a dive loop. So I don't know if you...
Well, I guess once we all ride it, we're gonna have to see what it feels like.
That's a pretty good answer.
I don't know the difference between the two, to be honest.
Woo! The helix has been started. Awesome. And right there is my favorite little spot where you've got the support column there and Vortex's track heading right by. My goodness, with the trains, with the cars on the train swinging the way they do, whew, that's it's gonna be pretty close. Just look at all this steel just all mixed together like this. So awesome.
So queue line, and the queue line will go down under this track,
Oh wow.
and then there'll be stairs that'll take them up and over to the platform right there.
Oh man, that's gonna be awesome. Queue over here, and you're gonna be walking down under the track and up the other side.
And here's the queue line. Go right underneath the roller coaster. And around. This is the roller coaster.
Ooh. Right by the station. Alright everybody, this is the funicular. A elevated lift system
Oh wow.
to get to the top instead of having to take the stairs. Really, really cool. Woo. And there's the lift. So awesome.
Yeah, we went over there.
0G roll right behind the dive. First drop. Woo!
Yeah, that's
It looks so awesome from over here in front of Slingshot. Over here on the Windseeker side. And there's no fence anymore, so you can see right over to the tunnel. You can see 0G right there. B&M does call it A0G, so take that, RCDB. Oh man, really, really awesome. I cannot even fit all of Yukon Striker in the camera's view here. But man, so much of it is already done, including, you know, like the beginnings of the helix over there. Just need the rest of the helix, the loop, and the final Immelmann. Woo! And now I am heading down into the tunnel. Woo! Funicular in motion. You saw it here first, probably. I am inside the tunnel, and man, it is echoey, it is cavernous, it is massive in here. Yeah, just crazy. I mean, the opening and the exit are still really, really tight, but just standing here, like, this tunnel is long. I'm inside Yukon Striker. That is very, very tight there. Woo! That right there is the 90-degree first drop. Heading down into the tunnel. And the interaction with Vortex here is just incredible. That right there. That spot looks pretty close. Guys, check out this vortex support built right into the tunnel. Like that's it. Just attached right in there. All right, everyone, that'll wrap it up for this episode. Huge thanks to Grace here at the park for setting this up, having so many of us enthusiasts come in to check out the construction site when most of the park is on vacation. Yeah, I am super excited for Yukon Striker. You can see it right there. And yeah, definitely, you guys, I mean, look at Wonder Mountain like that. It's covered in snow. I know this isn't the best angle, but yeah, it's coming here on the off season. Don't really have access to the full parking lot. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I'm sure I put in all sorts of additional notes and things after the fact. But yeah, once again, thanks to Grace and the park for getting this all set up. This has been amazing, and I will see you all next time. Have a good one.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.